What's up, Softail Nation? Check it out. I got another fresh build I'm going to show you guys right now. I didn't film any of the build or purchasing it or anything like that, but I'm going to show you the finished product, and it is freaking sweet. I'll drop a picture right here of the bike when I bought it, and you can see what it looks like now. So anyway, check it out, you guys. All right, so this is a 2004 Softail FATBOY, and you can see we trimmed all the fat off of it. Actually, so anyway, 21-inch front, fat spokes, 16 rear fat spokes, new rotors, new handlebars, all the new lines to go with the handlebars. Turned out sick. My last couple of bikes have had 16-inch ape hangers, and on this one I went with the 14. And while it might not be as gangster, it's a little bit more comfortable to ride than the 16s, and I still think it has a pretty sick look to it. Let me know what you guys think. 16s, 14s, 18s. What do you want on your ape hangers? What size of apes do you like? Everything is just freaking clean. This bike only has 14,000 miles on it, and dang, just look how clean everything is down there. It is a beaut. I freaking love it. There was so much chrome on this bike that was aftermarket that somebody else put on. I don't think it was the guy I bought it from, because if he would have invested all that money in the extra chrome, I don't think that he would have sold it for what he sold it for. Anyway, you guys, Softail Nation, check it out. The other thing that I really like about this bike, look at the angle of that gas tank. That looks good. Did a 2-inch tank riser on there. You can see a new fuel line that goes down underneath it. That is the tank lift there. It eliminates the rubber that goes on here, but that's all good. You don't see that stuff anyway. But man, I love the way that changes the angle of the tank to match the seat. It just makes everything flow better. So anyway, you guys, Softail Nation, that is a new fresh build. It is I'm loving it. I think this is, I've had 4 Softails now, and I think that this one is my favorite. I absolutely love it. Riding it is smooth. It's got the 5-speed transmission in it, but you know, it's good. It's good. I ran it up to about 80 miles an hour the other day. Took it on a 100-mile trip right after I got it done, doing a little shakedown on it. But anyway, I'm loving it, you guys. Thanks for checking out Softail Nation. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and let's ride.